Hi and welcome back to this course. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the if statement. Now this is the third video of conditional statement section. Now with this statement you can execute one block of code among many blocks. What does that mean? Look at its syntax first. You see that I just type the if block first and give the condition to if. Now after that I have typed if else and I have give one more expression there. Now here in this syntax you can see I have 4 blocks. One is block of if, 2 blocks are of else if, and the third block is else. Now see that in the second and third block I have used else if rather than I use f. Because if the first condition is false, then it move toward the else if and check the next condition. If that condition is also false, it move toward next and check the next else if condition. If that condition is true, then it is only going to execute the statements in that particular block. And if all the conditions are false, then the else block will execute. We will understand it in a better way when we run a program on our NetBeans. So this is an example. You can see I have a variable with the name speed that has value of 90. Now in the first block I have just typed if speed is greater than 100, then print car is fast. Then I have used the else if block. And in the condition I have typed if the speed is greater than 70 and speed is less than 90, then print car is at medium speed, else print car is slow. So in this way if else if works. So let's run an example on our NetBeans. Okay, so first of all here in NetBeans I am going to take input from the user. So I type here system.out.println and I type here enter your age. Okay, and okay, and I type here scanner s equals to new scanner and system.in. Okay, and I import the scanner class. After that I type here int age equals to s dot next int, and here I am going to use the if else if. So I type here if age is less than 18, and I simply print here system dot out dot println, and I type here you are less than 18 and teenager. Okay, and now I'm going to use here else if. I type here else if and I give the second condition. So I type here age is greater than 18 and age is less than 40. Simply print system dot out dot println you are a young guy. Okay, and after that I type here else if age is greater than 40 and age is less than 50. Then system dot out dot println and I type here anything here, you are not young nor old, like this, anything like that. After that I type here else system dot out dot println and I type here you are old. Okay, so now if I run my program, you will see the message enter your age. I type here 10, you are less than 18 and a teenager. Okay, I run this program once again and type here 34, you are a young guy. Okay, I run this program once again and type here 90, you are old. I run this program once again and I type here 48, you are not young nor old. So in this way we can use the if else if statement. First of all, we have taken input from the user and stored that input in the age variable, and thus we have typed the if, that if the age is less than 18 then print this message. And then we have used the else if condition, that if this condition is false then execute this condition. So check that if age is greater than 18 and the age is less than 40 then print this message. Else if age is greater than 40 and less than 50 then print this message, and else print this message. So in this way we can use the if else if statement in Java. I hope that you understand. Anyhow, if you feel any problem, you can ask me a question. I am always here to help you. So that's it for this video. I will see you in next video.